Serial killers have always captured the imagination of the public. Their heinous crimes, often committed over a long period of time, have fascinated people for decades. In this video, we will take a closer look at the psychology behind serial killers, including some of the most notorious examples in history. We will explore the traits that are commonly associated with serial killers, such as a lack of empathy and a fascination with violence. We will also delve into some of the most infamous cases, including Ted Bundy, Jeffrey Dahmer, and Dennis Rader. By examining their behaviors and motivations, we can begin to understand what drives these individuals to commit such horrific acts. Furthermore, we will discuss the various theories that have been proposed to explain the behavior of serial killers, including genetic and environmental factors. We will also explore the ways in which law enforcement has been able to better identify and catch these dangerous individuals. Serial killers have long been a source of fascination and horror for the public, defined as individuals who have killed 3 or more people over a period of time, usually with a cooling-off period in between each murder. These murderers often share a number of traits that set them apart from other criminals. These traits can include a lack of empathy, a fascination with violence, and a need for control. One of the most notorious serial killers of all time is Ted Bundy, who murdered at least 30 young women in the 1970s. Bundy was known for his charming personality and good looks, which he used to lure his victims to their deaths. He would often pretend to be injured or ask for help with his car to gain their trust before attacking them. Bundy's crimes shocked the nation and brought the term serial killer into the public consciousness. Another well-known serial killer is Jeffrey Dahmer, who was responsible for the deaths of 17 men and boys between 1978 and 1991. Dahmer was known for his cannibalistic tendencies, as he would often dismember his victims and keep their body parts as trophies. He was eventually caught when one of his intended victims managed to escape and alert the police. Dahmer raised questions about mental illness and the influence of childhood trauma on criminal behavior. Perhaps one of the most terrifying aspects of serial killers is the fact that they often blend in with society, appearing as normal and unassuming individuals. This is the case with Dennis Rader, also known as the BTK Killer, who murdered 10 people in Kansas between 1974 and 1991. Rader was a family man and active in his church, but he also had a sadistic side that he kept hidden from those around him. He would send taunting letters to the media and police, detailing his crimes and mocking those who were trying to catch him. Rader was eventually caught when he sent a floppy disk to the police that was traced back to him. The psychology behind serial killers is complex and still not fully understood. Many experts believe that a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors contribute to their behavior. Some researchers have suggested that a lack of empathy and a need for control are key traits of serial killers, while others have pointed to childhood trauma, such as abuse or neglect, as a contributing factor. The study of serial killers has led to a greater understanding of criminal behavior and has helped law enforcement to better identify and catch these dangerous individuals. However, the secrets of serial killers remain elusive and disturbing, and their crimes continue to shock and horrify the public. By studying their behavior and motivations, we can hope to prevent future crimes and protect potential victims from falling prey to dangerous individuals. It is important to remember that while serial killers may be the most extreme example of violent criminal behavior, they are still a small minority of the population. The vast majority of people are law-abiding and would never consider committing such heinous acts. By working to understand and prevent the behavior of serial killers, we can help to create a safer and more just society for all. In conclusion, studying serial killers is crucial for gaining insight into criminal behavior and preventing future crimes. By understanding the psychology behind these individuals and analyzing their crimes, we can better protect potential victims and society as a whole. But understanding is not enough. We must take action to prevent such atrocities from occurring. We can do this by supporting mental health initiatives, educating ourselves and others on the warning signs of violent behavior, and advocating for stronger laws and regulations that address the root causes of violence. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with others. Together, we can make a difference and create a safer, more compassionate society.